Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and this is a math problem that is going to ask you to turn a word problem into an algebraic equation. So in order to do this sort of problem, what you need to do is watch out for words such as the ones I'm underlining here. So the sum of, equal to, and product of. And think about what each of these means. So sum is going to point to addition, equal, an equal sign, and product is going to be multiplication. And once you've just written this down, this sort of problem, if you were struggling with it, becomes very easy. Because now you know that what you're worrying about here is the sum of 5z and 9. So you're just adding 5z plus 9, sum, is equal to, so you're going to have an equal sign here, into the product, so multiplication of z and 1/5. So z times 1/5. So you can go ahead and see if any of the answer choices match what you've got here. So 5z equals 1/5 z plus 9 is not it. That doesn't look like it. This one doesn't look like it very much. And then all of a sudden you see that this answer choice here matches this exactly. The only difference is that 1/5 and z are switched, but when you're multiplying, the order doesn't matter. So this is the exact same as saying 5z plus 9 equals 1/5 z. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you why the other answer choices don't work, but this is how you do the problem. Just go ahead and underline words, keywords that point to some form of operation. Write the operation above the word, and that way you won't get confused as to what the equation should look like. Let's go ahead and look at this one. So if we were to move the 9 from this side of the equation to that side of the equation, you'd have to subtract 9 from both sides. So this here should be negative 9 instead of positive 9. So that's why that one doesn't work. For this one here, it looks like sum here was interpreted as product and 9 was multiplied times 5z as opposed to being added. So this is a problem here. So that one doesn't work out. For this one, you've multiplied 5 times z plus 9, which is in effect saying 5z plus 9 times 5, which is 45. Which is 45, as opposed to simply adding 5z and 9. This 9 here becomes a much larger number, so that's why this is wrong here. We've already said that's the right answer. And this last one here, you've got the sum on this side, which is right, but then product here wasn't interpreted as multiplication, but as addition. So that's what the problem is with this last answer choice. I hope that helped with this problem. And yeah, just don't forget to underline and label. Labeling is very key here. Happy prepping.